Welcome to 2 Minutes of Wonder. And have you ever wondered what does 2 minutes really mean? Time is fundamental to the sense of who we are as long as we've been around. So for thousands of years, humanity used the motion of the sun in the sky to measure time. And there were these sundials. This is just one design of one, where the shadow of this that it cast could give you what hour of the day it was, and the length of the shadow could even tell you what time of the year it was. And as time moved on, there were many different designs, and you had the famous hourglass, which can tell you the passage of equal intervals of time. And then this is one of the oldest, it's a model of one of the oldest it is the oldest working clock in the world, over 600 years, and this is in Prague, and it's called the Astronomical Clock. It's called the Astronomical Clock because you can see the passage of the sun and the movement of the moon as well on it, and hundreds of years ago there was a young scholar sitting in a cathedral, mesmerized by the swinging lamp, even as this pendulum swings. Okay, so don't blame me if you're starting to feel sleepy. So what he noticed was that even if the pendulum swung fast or slow, it always did it in the same interval of time. And what did he use to determine that? He used his pulse. So the pulse, even anything that happens at regular intervals, can be used as a clock. And that scholar was none other than Galileo, and it led to the foundations of the pendulum clock. So as time moved on, we started to make our measurement of time even more and more precise. Wristwatches actually started more for women, whereas the pocket watches were for men when it all started in about over 100 years ago. But today we can measure time very precisely by what is known as atomic clocks. And these clocks are extremely precise, but even more precise than atomic clocks. It's marvelous how we've made the full circle and gone right back to the heavens to determine time. So there are pulsar clocks which lose barely milliseconds in billions of years. So is this time same for all of us? And this is where Albert Einstein comes in. So in 1905, Albert Einstein showed us that even time is relative, and depending on your frame of reference and the speed with which, relative speed with which different frames of references were moving, one could actually observe time to actually slow down. So how cool is that?